Hey guys, welcome to another episode. Today I'm gonna take you on a journey to building a wooden motorized camera slider. So I saw this video about DIY slider, and I thought, well, why not make it a fun project with my dad? This is his wood workshop that he built for his hobby. So I'm pretty sure you haven't seen any wooden sliders out there, and there's a good reason for that. But that was the easiest thing for me to have access to work the parts and everything. I used a couple of 3D printed parts, but it was kind of hard to get those proper. The basic idea is to use that for time lapses. However, the motor that I got off of AliExpress cannot go slow enough, so I might figure out some way to use gears to make it go slower. But still, let's see what I managed to capture on the sunset last night. Gonna attempt to build a motorized camera slider to use with my phone for time lapses. I purchased a huge motor that's quite bigger than what I needed. I have my speed switch, my direction switch, and a belt. And so we're gonna use wood to complete the structure. So it's gonna be this on the bottom, the rails on top, and the motor and everything at the end. Hopefully it's gonna be a working slider with adjustable speeds. Okay, so went to a new store today and got some plastic pipes that are gonna do much better work and fit much nicer. Look at those. Those are the details that we made yesterday that are supposed to glide over the pipes and support on the bottom. It works. The only problem is that this key doesn't stay in either of the on positions, just like that. So I'm gonna go tomorrow and find one that would stick to either position, and then we can assemble the whole thing. Okay, so done with day 3. One thing we did is we managed to assemble this scrolly thing, and we also painted the whole thing. So this is gonna sit here and the motor is gonna go over there. And that's why we are done for today, because this has to dry out. The other thing that we did is I found the switch that actually stays in either of the on positions, and we assembled this neat box where the controller and the battery is gonna go. So this is the control knob from 0 to 100. That's the speed, and that's right or left. I'm gonna hook it up so it's gonna be right or left movement on the slider. this thing is glued to the whole thing, and this single nut is holding the motor from rotating so that the belt will be perfectly aligned. Okay guys, so after about 4 visits, finally done. It's a really crude thing, but I mean it's heavy, it's not perfect by any means, but the fact that we managed to do it with like pretty much makeshift materials and just a few 3D printed parts, and the fact that it's actually working. I gotta say, it's been challenging. We had to go and find other parts. We had to figure out a ton of stuff. Okay, so definitely a fun project. I had lots of fun doing this with my dad, spending time with him, working on it together. We didn't have a clear idea, that's why some pieces are plastic, some are wood. You saw the whole process. I gotta say it's practically impractical because I can get it to go as slow as you would want it to go for a proper time lapse. But at the same time, if you just set it up at home and use it for like shooting like product stuff like that, just moving the camera by, it's pretty smooth and works pretty great. Okay guys, that was it. I just wanted to share this experience because it was a great experience to build this project with my dad, spend some quality time with him, learn more about his hobby. He's doing great stuff remote. Someday I'll have to show you in a completely different video. But yeah, it was a fun project. It was interesting to make it out of wood because it was readily accessible. And really hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. And maybe even punch that bell icon to receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Till then, thanks for watching and see you next time. Motorized camera. Okay guys, so
Добре, виж го.
Цъкни на дисплея.
Не, виж така или иначе, дали така искаш целия да се вижда и пак го.
Искам.
Ама целия ли да се виждаш или?